Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is my favorite time of the year, the holidays. I get so excited about it. I love all the festivities and the gift giving. I'm gonna share with you how to earn on YouTube while creating this holiday glam. This video is sponsored by YouTube Shopping. Some merchants have higher commission rates during the holidays, up to 50%, and you could earn more money with the tiered bonus program set to run from now until the end of the year. You can find program terms in the YouTube Help Center. I hope you enjoyed the overlay poses, but before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Primer first. I've been on YouTube for almost 11 years as an influencer, doing this as a job, and I've seen people go from viewers to creators to megastars. I'm sure those of you watching me right now are creators now, and I have to put you on. If you're not familiar with the YouTube shopping program, it is the best way to expand your earnings if you're trying to make money from doing content, especially with the increased holiday commissions and incentives from now all the way to the end of the year. I'm telling you right now is the best time. I'm always using everything from Sephora and everything is on there. And you can be earning with products that you're talking about that are currently being sold on Sephora right now. Okay, let's blend this out. You guys, I am so glad Sephora is available in the affiliate hub because I have so many beauty recommendations that I share with you guys and that I want to share with you guys. And some merchants even have higher commission rates during this holiday season, up to 50%. Can you believe that? And you can earn more money with the tiered bonus program. It's set to run from now until the end of the year. You can also find the program terms on the YouTube Help Center. Let me tell you, as a creator, programs like this are my favorite because I can easily share my Sephora selects with my followers and earn at the same time. And for those of you who are starting out on social media, already have a presence, I would definitely join the other 250,000 plus creators and myself to make holiday shopping more fun for you and your followers. My favorite part is that you could shop directly from your YouTube video, short form and long form too. It's so easy. Your viewer can see it pop up within the video, which makes it so convenient for your follower to find the products that you're using. By the way, you can click the links in the description to find out which brands are offering the increased holiday commissions and learn more about the tiered bonus program. I'm using a burnt brown shadow all the way around the eye because I'm going for more of a smoky, sultry holiday eye, which I haven't done in so long. A little champagne sparkle. I promise you guys, this is the easiest holiday look you're gonna see. An eyeshadow wing is the most foolproof way to get the perfect wing without making everything a complete mess. A half lower lash line. And soften and smoke that out. Add in a wispy lash. This is not holiday without some highlight. I hardly ever add powder highlight, but I feel like for a holiday look, we need a little extra glow. Lining your lip with a brush is so old school, and I wanted to try it out with this look because it gives you the prettiest blurred out lip and fills in all of the lines, making it look so much smoother before the lipstick. The lighting was changing so much on me, I had to move back a little bit. I'm gonna be using a lip brush to apply the lip that I'm doing, and it's gonna be more dramatic. I feel like I always gravitate towards a red or a sparkle, but I wanna do something more berry for the holidays, so I'm gonna do this deep berry lip. I want to know what you guys are doing for the holidays. Are you traveling? Are you going to see your family? Or are they coming to you? Are you staying home? This year, I think I'm going to stay home for the holidays, but Caesar and I, my husband and I, we're so last minute and sporadic sometimes with our decisions for the holidays. So you honestly never know what we're gonna do. But I would love to vlog and show you guys more of that side of my life. And I wonder if you guys would like to see that. So let me know in the comments. Let me stop talking so I can get this line straight. Hold on, guys. That is the easiest, prettiest holiday makeup. I want you guys to try this look and let me know how you like it. Also, I do want to do more things on my YouTube channel. I kind of went MIA on you guys, and I'm excited to be back. I'm gonna do more videos here, and I just miss you guys so much and my Dom fam on YouTube. You guys let me know in the comments what you want to see from me next. Also want to vlog more, but I think I should do it on my second channel. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Give me some feedback on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I know you're gonna love it if you try it. Sorry, speaking of my husband, he was just calling me right now. But that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please share and repost yourself if you try this look. I want to see your recreations. They make me so happy. Also, just a quick reminder to click the links in my description to check out the brands that are currently offering holiday increased commissions. And you have to learn about the tiered bonus program. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and happy shopping. Mwah! I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Before I let you go, oh my God, I almost forgot it's been that long. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you missed these videos below, go check them out. They are waiting for you to watch. And before I let you go, I always leave you with a little affirmation, a reminder for yourself throughout the week. And that is to try to be a good listener rather than speaking too much. Some of us need help with that sometimes. I'm not saying who, but it's just a little reminder for us. And I hope you guys have the best week ever. I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. I'm about to put you on to YouTube shopping. If you don't know what that is.